how you can link Twitch with Discord on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So you can see there is profile picture option at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on that profile icon, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see there is settings option at the top left corner of this profile picture or profile page. But rather than that, first let's tap on the edit profile at the top right corner, and once you tap on it, you can simply tap on manage social links, and once you tap on it, you can add your Discord link in here successfully. So let's get back, and now let's tap on the settings option, and once you tap on it, you can see there is a security and privacy option just down below of this screen. So just tap on the security and privacy, and you will be able to see there is enable additional account creation in here. So you simply need to enable this option, and you simply need to confirm it, and you need to link your Discord with it successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to link Twitch with Discord on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.